Hi, my name is Dr. Joel Stewart. I'm an orthopedic surgeon who works at the Orthopaedic and Spine Center. My specialty is foot and ankle, and I'm going to be giving a community lecture here at the office, and we're going to talk about some of the most common foot and ankle problems. We're going to talk about things like heel pain, which includes plantar fasciitis and Achilles tendonitis. We'll also talk about simple things like ankle sprains and things that look like ankle sprains that make you come to see the doctor. So hopefully you can come to see us. We'll be giving the lecture here at the office, and I look forward to meeting you.
Join Dr. Joel Stewart Tuesday, January 21st at 7 p.m. to learn about effective treatments for common foot and ankle conditions. Register by calling 757-596-1900, extension 368, emailing lectures at osc-ortho.com, or by choosing the Lectures tab at www.osc-ortho.com. Orthopaedic and Spine Center, where you can experience excellence.